Hello guys and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to use Canva's color palette generator for your personal brand. So in case you're wondering what this is all about, um in Canva you can create a brand that you can use for all of your designs, and you would use two colors for all of these, two central or basic colors for all of these designs. So all you have to do first is to go to Canva and choose the brand section here. Here you can customize. You can see this color is just I really don't know, should I call it brown or wine? I don't know what color this is, like auburn or so. So you can click on that color, and then we can customize a color here. We can, okay, is to we can change, okay, we can create a design. No, this is not what I want. So these two colors, where are they? Are the color set for this particular design, and I can either change them to fit another brand that I am working on. You can click on each of these to give it the heading you need, title, and all of those. So, and you can also input your brand voice and your photo. You can also include your charts, but this is only set up by the administrator of your group. So why you may not have it would be because you're not the main administrator. Well, this is because I am in a certain group. So for you, you can, on your free plan, or if you are paying for the pro version individually, you can access all of this. They'll be open for editing, and this is how to create a brand kit of color on your Canva app. Thank you very much and do have a great day, guys.